In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add emojis to your photos on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Photos app. Then just open up a photo, let it be that one. Then tap on Edit. Then hit at that markup icon. And then tap at plus sign and select text. Then you can type in here any text. You can double tap on it to bring up the keyboard. And then just select this emoji feature, and then just select any emoji, let it be that one, then tap somewhere here, and as you can see, that emoji is quite small. To make it bigger, just tap on it once, then hit at that two characters icon, and then you will be able to increase or reduce the size of that emoji as a regular text size just by dragging this slider right or left in that way. And then also you can touch and hold your finger on the screen to move it around. In that way you can position it wherever you want, just like that. If you want to change the size, you can do it again. And then once you have finished with that, just don't forget to hit done to apply the changes. Then hit on done again to move on to your photos gallery. Then if you want to undo all the changes, if you want to remove that emoji from your photo, you should hit on edit, and then at the bottom right hit at revert to undo all the changes. Just hit at revert to original in the pop-up. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.